Say review to Hyundai Venue ni Hyundai ki anova launch to khriba gari Creta ki ek makha ta base SUV hai ta Hyundai ki silai use top end trim ni Venue ki makhal jaisi le among the case my views overall views mine LED DRL matlab lom dane and projector headlamp hada laila overall side view ni main team view overall it is good looking car Brezza de hen phasai hai tar mas yeng matam ta good looking car maning lom dagi ana scenic good space on them good space is good dum chawi ma se hatchback tagi di kharch en chaw ne mai size shark fin antenna yauri roof rail piri and among the changsi front side the soft plastic hai idhar leather type false leather tumbe yauri and among view missing full box wireless charging air filter air purifier steering handle control solution to yauri touch screen automatic air con wale mai se sunroof se sunroof ne maning lom da yeng se is comfortable enough space lane running the rear aircon happy running views my comfortable seat is thighs under thigh support by size am pai mase Brezza de ne bhai aita Brezza ke features mein sorry Venue Chrome finish, potted projector, headlamp with LED DRL, dark chrome front grille, diamond cut, alloy wheel, LED taillamp, wireless phone charger, air purifier, driver rear view monitor, 1 liter turbo engine से खर भागने के लिए smart trick sunroof तो यार रोइना बक्सों ना बहाई था